In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
The first time Ryan Smith's Tesla was vandalized, the Sentry mode feature hadn't been released yet for his Model 3. This time, the cameras were rolling. Ryan later ran into the gentleman at his apartment complex's clubhouse. The man claimed that Ryan's Tesla took too long to charge, and the "no P" that he left on the driver's door was meant to tell Ryan no parking. He was himself driving a plug-in Prius, and didn't realize that Teslas take far longer to charge than his plug-in hybrid. Ryan said, "We had multiple talks after, a lot of talks about Teslas. He wants one as his next car. We became pretty cordial, in fact. I'd like to chalk up the way I handled the situation as me growing up and not reacting like I would have in my younger days." The man offered to have Ryan's Tesla detailed. Since Ryan was able to remove all markings, he chose not to press any charges and didn't go any further. In his opinion, the discussion they had was enough to resolve the situation. Mark Brenton had one hand on the wheel relaxing while driving on autopilot until he saw a truck on the left shoulder. Instinctively, he put both hands on the wheel and got ready to take over. Mark says that when the truck started to cross all lanes of traffic, the autopilot swerved to the right and beeped very loud, signaling him to take over. Mark says, "I do know this, autopilot veered to the right. I did not do it. It saw the truck and started to take action before I did." While driving his Model 3 in Belgium, Steve CLART saw this car hydroplane and crash into a concrete barrier. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Farmer in Chino was driving his Tesla with autopilot engaged when a delivery truck started to merge into his lane. He says, "I remember slamming on the brakes. The movement to the right was the autopilot. The whole incident occurred really fast. The truck driver didn't check his mirrors or was doing something else." Kenneth Nielsen caught this clip with his Tesla showing how to destroy a mailbox with laser precision. If you liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe.